guys and welcome back to my channel for people who know me and people who don't know me. Hi, my name is Dhruvi and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this eye look. This is such a beautiful eye look I have made. I just thought mixing too many colors and then just make it. So yeah, this is really simple. It looks like difficult but it's not. It's very easy. बस पैलेट होना चाहिए, ब्रश होना चाहिए, that's it. So if you are interested then keep on watching till the end.
I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more.
Firstly, for transition shade I'm going to be using this palette. From this palette I'm going to be using this shade. I'm going to be mixing two shades together. The first shade is this right from here, and the next shade I'm going to be mixing is this shade. I'm going to be linking all the products in the description box. So I took pretty much amount in my brush. I'm going to be blending right here. So let me focus. I'm going to bring it a little downwards and just make a V kind of a shape. Nextly I'm going to take this light pink shade and then just थोड़ा सा ऊपर उसको अच्छे से blend कर लूँगी. Nextly I'm going to be using this blue shade. I have put a fixer in my brush so that it comes really properly. I'm going to be using the second shade which I showed you. I'm going to just place my blue shade in the inner corners of my lid. So I'm going to be using this shade. This is the dark purple. It is a glittery kind of a shade. I have sprayed fixer in this brush as well so that the products come really properly and then it applies really properly. We'll just place it right here. Next, I'm going to be taking this blue and this purple shade together in this same brush and then just place it between them so that it's no harsh line in between them. So nextly I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. I'm going to do a wing liner, a big wing liner. Nextly I'm going to do my mascara. So for mascara I'm going to use this Lotus Herbs mascara. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment that you loved it so I can know that you are loving my videos. So yeah, bye.